Hello, dear grandmas and grandpas. Welcome back to Simple Senior Life. I'm Susie, your gardening companion for slow, simple living and peaceful, productive days. Today, I want to share something very special. It's one of the easiest, most effective homemade fertilizers you can make with ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. It's natural, it's affordable, and most importantly, it's gentle. Gentle on your hands, gentle on your wallet, and gentle on your beautiful garden. Before starting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell. We share practical, real-life gardening hacks for seniors every week. Ready? Let's begin. Why homemade fertilizer? Now, why bother making your own fertilizer when you can just buy one from the store? Here's the thing. Commercial fertilizers can be expensive, full of chemicals, and sometimes a bit too strong for small gardens or sensitive plants. Especially if you're growing food for your family, we want something clean and safe. This recipe I'm sharing today is based on natural fermentation, a process as old as time itself. Just like how we used to make fermented foods for our bodies, now we make it for our plants. It takes only 2 hours, or overnight if you're like me and love slow processes, and the benefits are amazing. Ingredients and prep. Let's head to our prep area. You'll need 1 tablespoon of dry active yeast, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, warm water, not too hot, just cozy warm, a clean jar or bottle to mix everything in. Optional items we'll talk about later, but for now, just the basics. In your jar, add the yeast and sugar, then pour in the warm water. Stir gently. You don't need to shake it, just a few swirls is enough. Let it sit loosely covered, don't seal it airtight, and give it time to do its magic. Leave it for at least 2 hours or overnight if you can. After some time, you'll see foam forming on the top. That's how you know the yeast is alive and working. It's transforming the sugar into nutrients, creating a powerful blend of proteins, minerals, and helpful microbes. Smells a bit yeasty, but that's a good sign. Why it works in senior terms. Let me explain this in the simplest way possible. Yeast is not just for bread. When it ferments, it produces enzymes and good bacteria, the kind that help plants absorb more nutrients from the soil. It's like giving your plant a multivitamin and a massage at the same time. It also boosts plant immunity, helps plants handle heat and dryness, improves vegetable quality and even shelf life, supports soil health by feeding good microbes, and because this is so gentle, it's safe even for delicate seedlings. How to apply it? So, how do we use it? Step 1. Dilute the fermented mixture into 5 gallons of room temperature water. This helps spread it gently. Step 2. Use about 1 cup per plant, pouring near the base. You can do this every 2 weeks. That's it. Easy schedule. No need to do it every day. Bonus! Want to go the extra mile? Pour some into a spray bottle and during the cooler hours of the day, mist the leaves lightly. That's called foliar feeding. And yes, plants can eat through their leaves too. Use a drip jug. Poke a tiny hole in a gallon jug, fill it with your mix, and place it near the roots. It'll slowly release water, no bending down too often. If you want to supercharge your fertilizer, try adding 1 or more of these. 1. Eggshell powder, 1 tablespoon. For calcium, great for preventing blossom end rot on tomatoes. 2. Wood ash, 1 tablespoon. Full of potassium and trace minerals. Best if it's dry and collected before it rains. 3. Epsom salt, half a teaspoon. This gives magnesium, which helps in flowering and chlorophyll production. Just mix any of these into the original jar before you dilute it with water. My favorite combo? A little eggshell powder and a tiny pinch of Epsom salt. Feels like I'm feeding my plants bone broth and spa water at the same time. Now, you might be wondering, does this really work? Oh, absolutely. I've used it on my tomato patch. They grew twice as fast. My eggplants, the leaves stopped wilting and perked up. My pepper plants, even the shy ones started flowering. And it's not just veggies. My rose bush, which had been moody for months, suddenly bloomed like it remembered its youth. My neighbor even used this on her mango tree, and while the fruit took time, the leaves turned greener than ever. Let's be honest, my dear elders. We don't always want to carry around big bags of fertilizer or spend hours doing math for ratios. This mix is light, flexible, and low effort. It also helps reduce kitchen waste, especially if you reuse eggshells or leftover sugar. Plus, doing a little gardening every day gives us purpose, peace, and fresh food. What more can we ask for? So, my dear friends, will you give this a try? I really hope you do. It's easy to make, gentle on aging hands, and friendly to the earth. Try this homemade fertilizer and let nature thank you in blooms, fruits, and smiles. If you found this trick helpful, let us know in the comments or share your own fertilizer tips. And don't forget to subscribe to Simple Senior Life for more useful gardening ideas just like this. Until next time, keep growing gently and wisely.